We know we want to go there. Why can't we plan it now?
Will you just stop? Your father and I did not raise you like this. Sorry. Can you just tell me why? I want to understand. I thought you'd like Father.
Oh, mango. Yeah,
Where
baby.
does this go?
In the laundry room downstairs, but you don't need to do that. Mango, I got some persimmons. I love persimmons, they're so good. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. Today is Wednesday, January 19th, and it is the first day for Micah's in-person learning. So I had just dropped Micah off to school, and it's such a relief to have one child at home as opposed to two. I kind of have some more time to myself, so I am taking the time right now to fix my hair and put my hair into a nice little bun. I've been wearing my hair under a bonnet after washing it, so I'm just gonna slick my hair up into a bun. Honestly, I don't really have like a routine for this. I used about 4 different products just to see what would work well to slick up my hair, but I don't typically have this routine for doing my hair. I don't know what I was doing. I used gel, I used jam, I used spray, but ultimately everything came out good. Honestly, I just felt like I needed to fix my hair so that it would kind of change my energy. I always say, like, when I look good, I feel good. So when I look better, I feel better, and it kind of helps make my day a little bit more productive. Typically in the day, I'm either taking clients or packing orders or editing a video that I filmed, cleaning and cooking. I'm just doing general stuff around the house. So I just want to take you guys along with me for today. It wasn't too crazy, but I just wanted to give you guys some insight for my mothers out there. I'm not sure if I'm necessarily a stay-at-home mom, because I do work and I do make, like, an income for myself. I'm not solely dependent on my significant other. I don't know if that constitutes as a stay-at-home mom. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But anyway, I'm just finishing up my bun and it's looking pretty cute. At first I thought it was like, a throwaway, but it turned out pretty well, pretty firm, pretty solid, pretty cute, pretty slick. I'm loving it. So now I'm just doing some laundry, getting my laundry in order. I had some stuff in the dryer from the night before, so I'm just gonna take that out so I can fold, and then honestly just reload the washer and organize the rest of the laundry. Lately, I've been obsessed with watching Desperate Housewives. I've actually completed all 8 seasons, so I watched everything from beginning to end. So I'm looking for a new show to watch now, especially while I'm like cooking, cleaning, and folding. I love to keep my mind occupied with like shows and YouTube videos, but mostly shows as of lately. So I already watched this new show called Harlem. I know there's a show on BET called Sisters. And I'm just looking for something else to watch now that this is done. I'm so sad, but I really loved it, and I heard there's a new season coming out, so hopefully that's true, so we'll see. And I'm just taking care of the kitchen. Honestly, I was too lazy last night to wash up the dishes, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna finish it, wash the dishes in the morning, wash the pots in the morning, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. I would love to have done it like last night, because it makes it such a good start for the day when your dishes are already washed and everything is clean. You have like a clean slate for the day. But that was not the case last night. I was so tired. I was exhausted. So I was like, you know what? Let me do it in the morning. And that's what I'm doing right now. There's no shame in my game. I'll be going to bed sometimes and there's dishes in the sink. It makes me feel uncomfortable, but sometimes I have to put myself first and just get the rest that I need. So I'm just washing the dishes, wiping the counters, and I'm going to be cleaning off the stove as well. So I'm heading out to go on the road now. I need to drop off some packages at the post office, drop off my wig so I can get it customized because I have a hair appointment tomorrow with Stush Creations. I need to deposit some cash and pick up some food from the grocery store. So I'm not gonna take the camera out with me because my camera is gigantic, but I'll see you guys when I get back inside. You don't have to eat it. And I met you. Mommy's gonna get her hair done tomorrow. She's gonna have a nice wig. So I spent $65 at the grocery store, and I feel like I never got anything. So I picked up tortellini. This is Italian sausage tortellini. I never picked it up before, but I've always been curious about it. You want cookies?
No.
No? Okay.
Mom, where does this go? Mom?
Apples, mango, yeah? Mango, I got some persimmons. I love persimmons, they're so good. Got some beef broth. I like to use beef broth when I make like stew, like beef stew, stew beef, whatever you want to call it. Or, I don't know, sometimes it just adds a kick in certain meals. Got me some table cream so I can make my pasta sauce. Potatoes, butter, English muffin, because Micah likes his egg and cheese sandwich. Right, Cassie?
Yeah.
Got hot chocolate. These are like my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Ooh, they're so easy to make. All you have to do is add butter. We got some tortillas because Kalmar wants, what is that like again? Oh, bang bang shrimp. So we put the shrimp, the bang bang sauce, cheese and lettuce in the tortillas. And you guys like tortilla with cheese, right, Cassie? Yeah. That's everything I got today. What needs to go in the fridge? Butter, table cream. That's it. It's basically 1:30 right now. Micah's bus comes at 3 o'clock. So I have like an hour and a half, you know, to kind of relax and prepare for him to come home. And then I have to figure out what they're gonna eat for dinner. Probably something super easy. I'm not gonna do anything extravagant. I'm gonna make Kalmar his bang bang shrimp tacos. And the kids don't like that, so what are you guys gonna eat, Cass? I need to wash my hair tonight as well because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow by Stush. I'm gonna be putting on a lace closure wig from Nadula Hair. So I'm excited for that. We got a new fan. Thank you, Jesus. I swear I cannot sleep without a fan. Can you sleep without a fan, Sunny?
Like something on or right? Like the fan that.
Or like, yeah, like a fan, or like even just the noise of a fan. It's been so quiet. It's been like, I can't sleep when it's quiet. I feel like I'm hearing people in the things in the house and stuff. He wasn't here? Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
How was your day?
Good.
Come, let's go. Oh, you made another one? Okay, come, let's go. Careful. Oh. So Archer never came to school today? Where's your hat? Oh. You're crazy. What's wrong? Go inside.
Whoa!
Oh, Cassie's waiting for you.
Cassie!
Hi, Cassie. Micah's home. How was school today?
Good.
Was it? What did you do?
Pretty good. Math. It was so easy.
It was so easy.
They did 6 plus 7, and that's 13.
Mm-hmm.
And they did 10 plus 10, that's 20.
Yeah. Did you wash your hands when you came in?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So the snow is melting finally.
8 plus 8 is 9.
But we have a little snowbank in front of our driveway. Pretty much all the snow is on the grass, so we're pretty much good to go. What?
I know space now.
She wants to sit beside you. Can she? Because she likes these videos. Come. Move over a bit. You guys always do this. Don't you guys always sit beside each other when you're doing your class? Stop being mean. Make sure you eat your apples, okay? Good job, Cassie. Micah, can you please eat your apples? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. Eat them. And then you'll have a nice prize. I just finished my workout for tonight. I'm actually gonna bring Cassidy to my mom's house right now because I have a hair appointment early in the morning with Stush, and yeah, Mike is gonna go to school, of course. So it's just much easier if I bring Cassidy. I'm also gonna do my nails. My nails are looking crazy.
Crazy.
So if I drop her from tonight, I'm gonna be able to get ready for tomorrow in peace. I'm gonna spend the rest of the night cleaning, getting ready for tomorrow, washing my hair and stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching my vlog. And yeah, thanks so much. Bye.